Describe an interesting job that you want to have in the future. An interesting job that I aspire to have in the future is that of an influencer. Becoming an influencer offers a unique and creative way to connect with a wide audience and make a positive impact on people's lives. To find this job, I would start by building a strong online presence through various social media platforms such as Instagram, YouTube, or TikTok. Creating engaging content that resonates with my target audience would be essential in growing my following and establishing myself as an influencer in my chosen niche. Being an influencer requires a diverse set of skills. Firstly, creativity plays a crucial role in crafting unique and captivating content. Whether it's creating visually appealing images, producing entertaining videos, or writing engaging captions, being innovative is essential to stand out in the competitive influencer landscape. Moreover, effective communication skills are vital to connect with followers authentically. Engaging with comments, responding to messages, and sharing personal experiences builds trust and a genuine connection with the audience. Influencers need to be tech-savvy and keep up with the latest trends and social media algorithms. Understanding analytics and using data to refine content strategies is essential for continuous growth and engagement. What makes this job particularly interesting to me is the opportunity to share my passions and expertise with a global audience. Whether it's promoting sustainable living, fitness, or travel, being an influencer allows me to advocate for causes that I deeply care about and inspire positive change in people's lives. Additionally, being an influencer opens doors to exciting collaborations with brands and fellow content creators. Partnering with like-minded individuals and companies can lead to unique opportunities and experiences. Another aspect that makes this job appealing is the potential for financial independence. As an influencer, I can monetize my content through sponsorships, affiliate marketing, and brand partnerships, creating a flexible and fulfilling career path. One. What are the popular jobs for young people in Indonesia? In Indonesia, some common choices include positions in the tech industry, such as software developers or digital marketers, due to the growing digital landscape. Additionally, jobs in hospitality, tourism, and creative fields like graphic design or content creation are also sought after by the youth. 2. What is the difference between high-income and low-income jobs in Indonesia? High-income jobs typically offer more substantial salaries and benefits, allowing individuals to enjoy a more comfortable lifestyle. These jobs often require higher levels of education, specialized skills, or managerial positions. On the other hand, low-income jobs may pay less and require minimal qualifications or experience. 3. When is the right time for young people to start making serious plans for their future careers? The right time for young people to start making serious career plans is typically during their late teens or early 20s. This period often coincides with completing high school or starting higher education. However, the earlier one can begin exploring their interests, strengths, and potential career paths, the better they can make informed decisions about their educational pursuits and long-term goals. 4. Which jobs have the highest salaries? Jobs that have the highest salaries in Indonesia often include positions in the medical field, such as doctors and specialists, or careers in engineering, finance, and technology. Top executives and professionals in managerial roles also tend to receive high salaries. 5. Which jobs pay low wages but require a high level of skills? Some creative fields, such as artists or musicians, might require exceptional skills and dedication but may not always offer high financial rewards. Similarly, some social work or education roles may require extensive training and expertise, yet the compensation might not be commensurate with the level of skill required. 6. Do you think it is important for secondary schools to offer career advice to students? Yes, offering career advice in secondary schools is crucial to help students make informed decisions about their future. Career guidance can provide insights into various career options, the necessary qualifications, and the job market. It can also help students identify their strengths, interests, and aspirations, guiding them towards suitable educational paths or vocational training programs that align with their goals.